Consultants. Dear HSE professionals, today we are going to learn about emergency response procedures and reporting of emergency. First of all, it is important to understand that what an emergency is. To know the answers and complete guidance, it is recommended to watch this video till end. For previous videos about OSHA General Industry Safety, please visit our Facebook page Safety Officer 544. Emergency is a serious situation which needs immediate action or response. Situations of emergency can be categorized, for example earthquake, flood, cyclone, severe storms etc. can be taken as natural disasters. Chemical spills, vehicle accident, faulty and dangerous equipment and power failure, bomb blast, fire, collapse of building, will fall in workplace emergencies. Environmental emergencies could be snake or spider bite, falling branches and drowning etc. These are some examples, there are hundreds of other situations that could be stated as emergency. What is emergency response? It is often asked in interview that what is difference between emergency and emergency response. So, it is important to remember that emergency response is the actions or steps you have taken to respond to the situation. Now when it is clear that what is emergency and what is emergency response, we will proceed to learn about emergency response plan. Basic steps of emergency response plan are same, but you can manage it as per your situation. The basic 4 steps of ERP are evacuation, sheltering, reporting and response. In a situation of emergency, we need to have a warning system that can heard by all, a fire alarm or a public address system. Display written evacuation procedures for all to see. Familiarize the employees with evacuation signal sound through drills. Work out procedures for shutting down equipment when the alarm is sounded. Designate suitably wide emergency exits which should be clearly marked and well lit. Earmark an assembly area for the evacuees to gather. Establish a head count system for employees at the assembly area. Hold a roll call after evacuation. Establish procedures for sending evacuees to shelter or their homes if emergency expands. Devise methods for assisting people with disabilities. Sound all clear alarm when the emergency is over. To report the emergency, always remember to provide the following information to control office on emergency phone number or to the nearest office. Location of incident. Type of emergency. Number of persons. Your name and site number. Get permission prior to disconnecting your call to get any instructions until help arrives. That's the end of the lecture, thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed learning. We look forward for feedback.